The video I'm editing today is a video of my colleague introducing ChatCut. The raw footage is around 30 minutes. I'm going to edit it into a publishable video with just 4 prompts in under 10 minutes. And before we go ahead, let me show you the raw footage and see what we're working with.
I have uploaded 3 clips they're from the YouTube series from CNBC called I Live Here, and they are about, each video is about...
First, I'm going to head to chatcut.io. I'm going to sign in and upload my video. Here I'm selecting one of the prompt templates. You can also write your own prompts if you already know what video you're going for. Clean out my video by finding the best takes, removing all filler words, cutting awkward pauses and stumbles, and tightening the pacing. Make it sound natural and professional. Okay. You can see the editing agent has already gone to work. And done. Let's see the result. You can click on the transcript view here to read through it, just like a Word document.
Hey, my name is Kaiwen. I'm a documentary filmmaker, and I'm going to walk you through the features of ChatCut, how the AI works, how the text-based editing works, and why it saves me a lot of time in the edit, and why it might save you time too. Let's get down to it. As you can see here, I have uploaded 3 clips on the YouTube series from CNBC called I Live Here.
Now that my base layer is in a pretty good shape, I'm going to add motion graphics to it to make it more engaging. First, let me show you a simple one. I'm going to prompt the agent to create a subscribe button for me. Okay, that's done. Let's look at the result. It's generated at the end of the timeline, and I'm just going to drag it to where I want it to be. Let's play it back.
But it's not capitalized. I am a clean freak, so I need it to be capitalized, and there you go.
Next, I'm going to add another motion graphics. This one is a typical table style motion graphics you see a lot in YouTuber videos where it breaks down the video into different parts. I have a reference I want to use. Let me show you here. This is just something I took a screenshot of from another channel, and I'm going to upload it here for the agent to use as a reference. I just uploaded it here and prompted to make me something similar. Look, here the agent figured out that there needs to be content in the table that's related to my video. I'm going to reply that I want key points from my video. Okay, it has now identified what should go in the graphics. Now that's done. Let's take a look.
Thank you very much.
Wow. I'm going to drag it to where I want it to be, and that's done.
Through the features of ChatCut, how the AI
Next, I'm going to upload another reference image. This is the style I want. And let's take a look. Okay, it got the big number and text in different fonts and style. It even identified and highlighted the keywords for me. That's really good. I'm happy with this.
If you want to assign just this part, and if you want to assign just this part, let's say actually the interviewer spoke this part, you can.
Now I've edited the video and added motion graphics to it. It's pretty ready for publishing. And I can save this version using this right here. And let me show you a few other things it can do. Here you can add text. You can use this to add title or illustrate your points. Here you can change the video ratio. Here you can add captions. Just turn it on and you can select different styles.
And if there's a word in there that's and you have the full ability to correct transcription when you need to. So for example, this is a person's name, but it's not capitalized. I'm a clean freak, so
And when you're all finished with your video, you can go ahead and export it. If you like to keep editing in another software like DaVinci Resolve or Premiere, you can go ahead and export it as an XML. And you can even export the motion graphics separately. It will have a transparent layer and it's all vector based, so quality is super high. And that's it. This is probably the easiest way to edit a talking head video by far. Drop a comment below or send me an email if you want to try ChatCut and I will respond to you with the invite code.